wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best under-cabinet lights. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you've got a fairly large area to cover, you might want to give the Ustellar kit a try. It includes 6 pucks that are both energy efficient and long-lasting. Each one is thin too, which means they won't draw unnecessary attention. These come with mounting screws and operate with the wave of a hand. However, their short cord makes installation tough. At number 9, the pint-sized Mr. Beam's MB852 is available singly and in packs of 2 and 4. They run on AA batteries and put out 35 lumens per fixture. The built-in motion sensors and an automatic shut-off feature make them especially useful. Each illuminates 10 square feet and they offer a simple wireless installation. But note that the batteries are not included. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The Keylola 10-foot comprises 20 strips of 3 LEDs spaced out across the wire. They're easy to set up and can add a helpful glow to any kitchen. Once installed, you can achieve the perfect level of illumination with the included dimmer switch. They retain your brightness setting and an RGB colored option is also available. However, the adhesive strips don't hold reliably. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Under Cabinet Lights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Aiboo dimmable let you control their output with a wireless remote, and these diminutive pucks will disappear into the design of your room. Although if they do catch the eye, the aluminum alloy finish will not look unattractive. They offer flexible installation options and are also available in a daylight color, but they have a shorter lifespan than comparable items. Moving up our list to number 6. If you're looking for an option that can brighten your cooking space by day and help create a fun party atmosphere by night, consider the Solmore 3919. The kit is backed by a 1-year warranty and comes with 9 fixtures that can be set to 16 colors. These feature flash and gradient light modes and remote and manual control options. However, note that the required AAA batteries are sold separately. Halfway up our list at number 5. Offering full-range dimming, the Albrillo LLSL G001 is a set of 3 strips that can be placed separately or be connected for design flexibility. No matter how you choose to use them, installation is a breeze, as all the required parts, even adhesive tape, are included. These are backed by an 18-month warranty and their frosted covers soften the light. The connector clips are easy to use. At number 4, if you're tired of squinting in the dark, try the efficient Hyperikon T5. It comes to full brightness instantly, providing an impressive 100 lumens per watt. You'll save money in the long run too, since it's rated for 45,000 hours, which is 21 years of average use. It offers a plug-and-play installation, 2,400 lumens in total, and a 5-year unlimited warranty. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Available in 6 sizes, ranging from 9 to 40 inches, the Getinlight IN02025BZ conveniently swivels, so you can fine-tune the orientation of its bulb after installation. To make things easier, the junction box has more room for hardwiring than its previous iterations. You have a choice of 3 color temperatures, all with a 50,000-hour lifespan and a 5-year limited warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Under Cabinet Lights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the remote-controlled Brilliant Evolution BRRC135 consists of 6 battery-powered pucks that deliver 100 hours of runtime at full brightness. It's a nice option to consider if running new wiring for your installation is impractical. These can be dimmed and come with a shut-off timer and 18 AA batteries. And taking the top spot on our list, the Wobane CS6 is a 6-piece kit of self-adhesive LED strips that can illuminate 9.8 feet of counter space when installed in a single row. The included U-connectors make it easy to set them up in a smaller area instead if you're looking for brighter results. They feature a total output of 1500 lumens and a 16-key remote control. They're available in 2 hues of white. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Under Cabinet Lights, or simply click beneath this video.